3 solid days of cleaning and decluttering to get ready for staging. And then the stager comes in and sets everything up. And we're still puzzled why she did certain things the way she did, but yeah, it's okay. Then we have photography and video to get ready to sell this house. Hey everybody, this is Matt from workanywhere.life. Very soon, I think by the end of today, I should have the photos and video of the staging that's been done in the house. I'll be able to share with you. I should have, if you know me, you know that I never do before videos. I am so bad with that. I always do after videos. So you can't imagine the mess this house was, the cluttered crap all over the place. Because, okay, I'm just going to put it out there because I'm divorced now. I can say these things because my wife has a bit of a hoarding issue, right? And she likes to buy stuff. She has a shopping addiction, and so she buys crap and just clutters the house with it everywhere. And so there was so much that the original meeting with the stager came in, and she just kept, like, that needs to go, that needs to go, that needs to go, that needs, get rid of that, declutter that. There was a long list of things that we needed to do. Oh my God. And as she's going through this, I'm saying, yeah, that's not mine, that's not mine, that's not mine, that's not mine. Drive you insane. So now, I'm also going to put it out there just because I'm being totally honest right now and creating drama, because why not? I'm leaving my house, leaving my marriage, leaving my country. Oh, I don't care anymore. She goes through my spaces. I have 2 spaces in the house. I have my home office and what I call my Zen den. And the stager comes in, she takes a look at my home office and says, oh yeah, that's good. All right, she goes to the Zen den. Oh yeah, keep it just the way it is. Right? The rest of the house, it's get rid of this, that, and the other thing. Right? And now we have a house that is practically empty. It really kind of echoes at this point, but it looks so neat and tidy and clean. I love it. It's I feel like an episode of Love It or List It, right? And we're listing the house, but I think, oh, it looks so nice now. I really enjoy this. Yeah, yeah. That's one of those sad things about selling an old property is you fix it up, you paint stuff, you clean stuff, you repair stuff, and then by the time you're done, it's like, do I really have to sell it? I kind of like this place now. Right, so that's the point that I'm at this point. And man, I'm going to share the video. By the end of today, I think I should have it, and I'll share the video with everybody on this channel. All right, so right now, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. There is more coming. Very soon, I'm going to be leaving on a road trip. We'll start season 2, road trip down the East Coast. This is going to be a lot of fun.